Hi, welcome to Fisher-Price Preschool. This is our newest item in our preschool learning. He is called Rocktopus. I hope you are ready to rock out. He's all about teaching kids a little bit of mathematics, how to make musical compositions. He's also about learning individual instruments, and there's gameplay as well, of course. He's actually a part of STEM, or actually more recently STEAM, because science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, because we know kids learn in a whole new way when they get into the arts and get into music. This is all about hands-on play, because we know kids learn best and retain more when they're in control and when they're in control of their active play. So let's take a look at what we have going here with our Rocktopus. Let's turn him on. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Rocktopus.
Hi, Rocktopus.
Let's jam. Push down the instruments.
So
light them up.
We have mathematical music. We've got mix and play. We've got a
Push
game
down
mode.
the instruments.
I think what's
light them
really
up.
fun and most creative is our second mode here, where we get to create our
Mix
own
and
little
match
orchestration.
music. Push down the instruments to light them up.
All right, so I think it's fun to start from the beginning. We get 15 different instrument pods that each
where
play.
did my instruments go?
I know.
Hand me an instrument to make some music.
He knows I stole his instruments. So we have 15 of these pods where we can mix and match. There are 5 different musical genres too, so I'm just going to start with something classic like the piano. Here we go. Okay, we get to learn what the piano sounds like. Excellent. Then I get to choose another one to add into the fun. I'm going to be silly and add the maracas. Oh yeah, spiced it up a little bit there. What about, let's make it percussive. I'm going to do the steel drum. Let's add that in. All right, we're really getting to somewhere here. I'm going to add saxophone. Why not? Yeah, that's nice. I may tour with that. That's a good composition. So the child is rewarded by what they've done. It sounds lovely. They get to hear about each individual instrument. They can actually take the tempo up.
Faster.
They can take it down.
Slower.
Slowing it down. And like any good musician, he's got something to say.
Can you dig it?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Woo!
Are you having fun? I am. That's just one of our modes here with Rocktopus. We also have musical math that I spoke about. I'll show you a little bit about what that's about.
I have 4 instruments. Now take away 3 instruments.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Awesome! I have 1 instrument. 4 take away 3 is 1.
Hey, I learned something, a little simple mathematical idea behind that.
That's a solo. Now take away 1 more instrument.
All right, I'll do that, Rocktopus.
Groovy! Now I have 0 instruments.
Well, that's not
1
right.
take
Your
away
instruments back.
1 is 0.
That's
Push down
right.
the instruments to light them up. Bop and rock.
And we also have our gaming mode, of course. It's a lot of fun. You're going to press down, you're going to follow
Push
the
down
lights.
the instruments to
And it's a
light them up.
concentration game. You can play with a partner, you can play by yourself. It's a little bit like whack-a-mole. You have to keep it all in your mind.
Blue. Keep the lights blue. Ready?
Okay, here we go,
set,
Rocktopus.
Go!
All right, we gotta press down on the ones that are blue.
Level 1. Bop the instruments that turn pink.
All right, I can do that. That's pink.
Awesome!
Oh, I'm paying attention. Look at that. There's 5 different levels of play. It progresses as you go.
Groovy!
So never a dull moment here with our Rocktopus. All right, that's our Rocktopus here in preschool and with our learning segment.